front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. I connected multiple wireless printers with OnePlus devices, and this method works across most models. For sure it will work on this one because I tested it before recording. So to connect your tablet, go into Settings first and tap on Connection and Sharing right away. Now select Print and tap on the Footprint service or any other service you have and wish to use to continue. Now make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. But if you still can't connect, don't worry. Try to click on this plus at the top right corner and either click on Search by IP address to input it here and select Add. Or if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, click here, tap on Allow in the pop-up, select Go in this one, and tap on gray switcher next to Use Location to turn it on. Go back, click on Search for Wi-Fi direct printers again, and wait for your tablet to find your printer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!